Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making this dua for the toilet scroll. And as we craft, we're going to be learning the dua of entering and leaving the toilet. Are you excited? You're going to need 2 empty toilet rolls, or if you don't have them, we can use some card and make it ourselves. Colours, scissors and glue, 2 lolly sticks, and tape, and paper. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Before we begin any task, we start by saying Bismillah. So say it with me. Bismillah. Great job! Because I don't have 2 empty rolls of loo roll, I'm going to make them from some card. Did you know Islam is a religion that teaches us manners for every part of our lives? From waking up in the morning, to eating, to sleeping, to saying thank you, and even going to the toilet. Islam guides us beautiful teachings that help us stay clean, safe, and close to Allah. Would you like to hear a story? Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Amina. She was 5 years old and had just started learning how to read some small words. Her mother loved teaching her small du'as so that Amina could grow up with a heart full of light. One morning, when Amina woke up, she rubbed her eyes and stretched. She needed to use the bathroom. But before she went inside, her mum stopped her gently. "Amina," her mother said with a warm smile, "do you remember the special dua we say before going into the toilet?" Amina scratched her head and said, I forgot, Mama. Can you teach me again?" "Of course," her mother said. The dua is, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. And in English it means, "Oh Allah, I seek protection in you from the male and female shayateen." Amina repeated after her mother slowly, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. That was beautiful, her mother said proudly. "Now you can go inside." Amina said the dua again as she stepped into the bathroom. When she finished and came out, her mother smiled again and said, "Do you know the dua we say after leaving the toilet?" Amina shook her head. Her mother said, "We say Ghufranak, which means I seek your forgiveness." Amina repeated it, Ghufranak. Her mother kissed her forehead and said, "Now your heart is sparkling clean, not just your hands." Amina liked the sound of that. She wanted a sparkly heart every day, so she decided she would try her best to say the du'as every time. As you can see, I got a piece of paper and cut it to the size of the toilet roll. Now, I'm writing our du'a on there, the one we just learnt from Amina's story. Let's learn some special toilet manners Islam teaches us. Number 1, to say the dua before entering. I'm writing it on our scroll now. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. The next manner is entering with your left foot. This is a sunnah. The third is not to take anything with Allah's name inside, like a Quran. We should be careful and clean ourselves well. This keeps us healthy and clean. Don't use too much water or waste toilet paper. Allah loves people who don't waste. And when you're done, you come out with your right foot and say the dua after leaving the bathroom, which is Ghufranak. I seek your forgiveness. And of course, you must wash your hands properly before leaving. Here's a fun trick to remember the dua. Imagine that behind the bathroom door, there's a tiny invisible dust monster called Khubth and Khaba'ith, and saying the dua makes them run away. When you come out, imagine Allah smiling at you because you remembered Him, and say Ghufranak. And then you wash your hands like a superhero washing away germs. Let's see how little Emina taught her brother. Emina practiced the dua every day until she memorized it. And one day her little brother Yusuf, who was only 3, needed to use the bathroom. He ran and almost entered when Emina called out, "Yusuf, wait! You forgot the magic words." Yusuf stopped. "What magic words?" he asked. Emina stood proudly like a teacher. "You have to say the dua. It keeps you safe." Yusuf blinked. "What is the dua?" Emina said it slowly. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. Yusuf tried his best to say it. Allahumma inni something. Emina burst into giggles, but helped him again. When he came out, she told him, "Now say Ghufranak." "Ghufranak," Yusuf shouted proudly. Emina patted his little head. "Well done, you're learning." Her mum watched them and thanked Allah for blessing her children with good manners. Now I'm gluing on our toilet rolls on each side. Then I'm going to get our tape and secure our lolly sticks to each toilet roll, so it turns into a scroll that you can open before going into the toilet to remember the dua. One night, Emina dreamed that she was in a beautiful garden full of flowers and butterflies. There was a shiny path made of gold stones leading to a big sparkling door. On the door was a sign that said, "Only those who say the dua of cleanliness may enter." Emina said her dua proudly. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. The door opened with a soft whoosh. Inside, everything was peaceful and clean. At the end of the garden was another door. Emina opened it and stepped out, and she said, "Ghufranak." Suddenly, a bright light swirled around her like shiny glitter, and she felt so happy. When she woke up, she smiled, and from that day, she never forgot the du'as. Now it's time to stick on our lolly sticks using our tape. What if you forget the du'a? It's okay. Just try again next time. Allah loves effort. Can I say the du'a after I enter the toilet? No, we don't say Allah's name inside the toilet, but you can say it in your heart if you forget. Do I have to whisper the du'a? You can say it quietly or in your heart. Allah hears everything. Why does Allah care if I say the du'a? Because Allah loves you and wants to keep you safe. Am I a bad person if I forget? No, not at all. We all forget. We just have to keep reminding ourselves and constantly learn. Which is why we can keep the scroll near the toilet if we forget. At the end of the day, saying these du'as may seem like a tiny thing, but in Islam, tiny things matter. Allah looks at your effort, your intention and your love. So let's say the dua again before entering the toilet. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. Oh Allah, I seek protection in you from the male and female Satan. Again, the dua before entering the toilet. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. O Allah, I seek protection in you from the male and female shaitan. So dua when leaving the toilet, غفرانك. I seek your forgiveness. When leaving the toilet, we say غفرانك. I seek your forgiveness. غفرانك. I seek your forgiveness.
Wow, look at your dua scroll that you made. I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can memorize this dua before entering and exiting the toilet. Let's end with the dua that we just learnt. When we enter the toilet, we say, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith. And when we leave, we say, غفرانك. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.